Hello guys, hi. Are starting with the switch case over here. Now, what do you understand by switch? Last time we have discussed about if else. Along with that, we have discussed about else if ladder. Now, and the nested if. Now we are trying to discuss about the switch cases. The switch cases basically is used in the circumstances where you have to use a lot of if else. Okay, now how do you use that? The circumstances over there, the print, there will be the same print, but the accent will be the same, but the sentence will be changed. Just that in that type of situations, we are using the switch case conditions. Now, how to use that? Basically, I just have done uh, the work over here, created a file with which one name. Now here you can see my name start with the capital letter. Along with that, I have this written public static void main just to save a little bit of time. Now over here, we make an object of scanner sc new scanner system.in. Over here, we are pressing enter the semicolon. Along with that, we will be giving int a. All right, now as everyone knows it, we will be writing the line over here. Print println enter the number. All right. Okay. After that, we will be giving a semicolon. Now a is equal to sc dot next int. All right. Sorry. So yeah, basically now over here, so in the switch case, we will be taking the we will be writing the switch over here. Now in the brackets, we will be passing the argument, which will basically over here we want to apply the switch cases. All right, now that's why we want in A. All right, we will start a curly bracket over here. For the switch cases, we take switch is also a keyword. Now, basically, I have not discussed about a keyword. What the basically keyword means. Basically the meaning of keywords are they are the set of reserved words. Now, what do you mean by set of reserved words? Basically, you can understand that with a very simple example that it is a set of reserved word used for coding purpose. Over there, you cannot use that name in any like in the file name also, or you cannot name that thing as a function name or a variable name. Okay, that is known as a keyword. These are the reserved word as I said you. All right, now switch is also a reserved word. Along with that, case. We write case for every circumstances. That's right. Now over here, the circumstances will be in what do you say? In the case of in the number in the form of number, basically you'll be writing a system dot out dot print ln. Over here we'll be writing Monday semicolon break. Now why we are using a break statement? Now what is a break statement? First of all, the break statement is I will be teaching that to you in the and we will be using about what you say the loop statements over here. I will be teaching about that. Along with that, right now you can understand that the break statement is used that this line doesn't print with the next line. Okay, means basically you can just take that thing as this line doesn't print with the next line also. That's why they use break right now. You can just get a small idea about that. Okay, in the loops we will be going more thoroughly. We will be discussing that thing more thoroughly. All right, now I'm pressing enter. Let's just save time. I'm just copying it. Okay, it will be much better. That's why 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So now over here, I will be changing 6, 7. As we know, one is Monday, then 2 is definitely going to be Tuesday. All right, so what did it goes? All right, over here we'll be writing the Wednesday. Little bit of the errors over here. Please ignore that. Friday. We missed something. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, we missed Thursday. 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 Friday. Saturday. Sunday. All right. So now that is all. That is obvious. We have done that. Now we will be discussing about the situation where the user by mistake enters a number which is not mentioned over here, or he tries to enter a number that not a number basically, and tries to enter a character or something strange you want to enter. Then what we do over there? We will be calling a thing called as default. Over here, that default is also a keyword. Okay, now we will be just writing system dot out. Now print Alan check while entering. All right. Now in the last, this is the last statement. That's why we need not to use a break statement over here. Just a okay, just to make you more comfortable with the break over here. If you don't give a break over here with the Monday, then by default it will be printing Monday. If we call one, by default it will be printing Monday and Tuesday together. So just to avoid that kind of situation, we are using what, the break statement. Okay, you can see the program looks better. There is no error. All right, now let's check. Let us check that is there any error or not. All right, so Java switch one dot Java. Yep. Okay, we didn't compile it. Now let us try and to enter 5. We are getting a number, the result as Friday. You might see that. All right. So first of all, we need to compile it. You might say, okay, without compiling, then also you're getting the result. Why you're compiling it? But basically the thing is, without the compiling it, you are just getting the code. You're not getting the bytecode over here. Okay, the program is not shareable. That's why over here when we are pressing enter, we are getting the bytecode. I told you the bytecode. What do you basically mean by bytecode over here? Now we will be just erasing off the extension part along with the C part. All right. Now let us just try to enter some number. Okay. We just enter 2. All right. We are getting Tuesday. That is great. Now if you just try to run enter now, by mistake you give a number as 90, then what we should get the result. We can see that we are getting the result as check while entering. Yep. This was the thing we have planned according to that thing. So see, now we are developers. We are trying to become a developer. Over here, Java, if you will be with me, if you subscribe the channel, you will be with me. Over here, we will be learning all the same thing in the Android. Now, Android programming, everyone knows that Android programming is basically what? Basically, does need the coding part to be cleared off properly. If your coding is clear, then you can go for the Android. We will be learning Android. We will be building a very simple apps. Along with that, we will be building simple games also in the same channel. For that, please subscribe our channel and like the videos if you like it. All right, guys. Thank you. That was great.